There's just something special about having a train around the Christmas tree, and it's even more special when it's a shiny new train set. So, if you're looking for a brand new O-gauge train set, such as those offered by Lionel Trains and now Menards, what brand new sets are available for 2025, and what features do they have? While picking up a used set may be cheaper, new sets usually have the advantages of wireless remote control, onboard sounds, and other features, and of course they include a manufacturer warranty in case there's a problem. By definition, a starter set is a complete set that has everything you need to get started: the trains, the track, and the power supply. There are other sets offered by Lionel, MTH, and others that are intended for existing hobbyists, and they often include just the trains themselves. These will not be discussed in this video. So let's start our breakdown of O-gauge starter sets for 2025. Wisconsin-based home improvement chain Menards began producing starter sets in 2023. Their sets all feature wireless remote control with horn and bell sounds, recorded crew talk sounds, and engine sounds. The remote features a volume control in case you want to diminish or eliminate these sounds. These sets come with their own power supply, but they can also be powered by traditional AC train transformers, although you will need the remote to change direction and to activate sounds. Menard sets come with traditional 3-rail tubular track that is compatible with older Lionel and other O-gauge track systems. Transition track systems to mate with Lionel Fast Track are available separately. The basic Menards train set for 2025 features an O-scale FP7 diesel with twin motors, horn, bell, crew talk, and locomotive sounds, decorated in Sioux Line colors, a Reading and Northern Quad Bay hopper car, and a Union Pacific gondola car. No caboose is included. The set also includes the remote, power supply, and an oval of tubular O-gauge track. The set is priced at $249.99 before Menards rebate program. Similar 2024 sets may still be available, decorated for Milwaukee Road and Chicago and Northwestern. Also new for 2025 is the Menards Dino Express set. This is a totally unique train set with lots of play value. The locomotive is a neat dinosaur-shaped casting with dinosaur skin texture over a standard Menards FP7 twin-motor drive. In lieu of a headlight, the model features glowing red eyes, orange horns, and spines with LED chase lights that move and blink. The locomotive sounds are also different. The horn is now a dinosaur roar. Instead of crew talk, a collection of dinosaur-themed, kid-friendly dad jokes are played. And instead of locomotive rumble, dramatic dinosaur music can be played. Rolling stock includes 2 Dino Express gondola cars, perfect for hauling the 15 included dinosaur figures around the track. Plus, to keep your prehistoric reptiles well fed, an ore car filled with simulated dino kibble is included. The locomotive and rolling stock are fully compatible with standard O-gauge trains. Also included is a self-propelled, battery-operated Dino Chaser car with flashing lights that can operate on or off the tracks, along with the remote power supply and a 36 by 56 oval of tubular track. The set is priced at $299.99 before Menards rebate program. Menards' largest starter set, the Tulsa Tank Train set from 2024, was still available online as of publishing time. This set features a pair of Santa Fe FP7 diesels decorated in the fan-favorite black bonnet scheme. One locomotive is powered while the other is a non-powered dummy locomotive. The twin-powered locomotive features directional lighting and the standard complement of horn, bell, crew, and locomotive sounds. The non-powered diesel includes directional lighting. Also included are 3 O-gauge ULTX tank cars, a remote, power supply, and a 56 by 42 oval of tubular track. The set is listed at $399.99 before Menards rebate program discounts. 2025 is Lionel Trains' 125th anniversary, and the firm's train sets are available in several different operating configurations this year. For those who are nostalgic for the conventional operation of a classic transformer, there is the number 2523060 Lionel 125th Anniversary New York Central 2133W Conventional Train Set. This set is a throwback to the first classic Lionel F3 freight set from the 1948 catalog, although updated with modern components. Also, this time the components matched the set contents which were originally described in the 1948 catalog, several of which were never actually manufactured. For example, the AA Powered and Dummy New York Central F3 diesels are produced here in black with lightning stripes as seen in the catalog, but they were actually produced in 1948 in gray. Similarly, the 1948 catalog depicted a 2548 double-door automobile boxcar decorated for Southern Pacific, which was ultimately never produced. That is, until this 2025 edition. The set also includes a remote control automatic dump car, a Sunoco tank car, an illuminated Southern Pacific caboose, along with an oval of Lionel Fast Track, remote control track section, and a conventional CW80 transformer. The set has a suggested list price of $1199.99. Most Lionel starter sets for 2025 operate using the LionChief wireless remote control system with Bluetooth connectivity. These locomotives feature wireless remote control with user-activated horns or whistles as appropriate, plus bells and announcement sounds. They can also be operated with any compatible Bluetooth device with the necessary LionChief app installed. These models may also include Lionel's voice control system that allows operators to control basic train commands with voice commands through their Bluetooth-connected devices. Combining LionChief technology with a traditional look is another throwback set. The number 2523070 Lionel 125th Anniversary Prairie 1430 WS LionChief passenger set revives the classic number 2025 262 Prairie steamer along with the Chatham, Maplewood, and Hillside green streamlined passenger cars, but it adds modern technology. The locomotive features a modern motor and drive system with a headlight, smoke, steam chuffing sounds, whistle, bell, and announcement sounds, all controlled by the LionChief remote, Bluetooth, or voice control. The cars feature interior illumination, and the set includes the remote, power supply, and an oval of Lionel Fast Track. This set comes with a suggested list price of $549.99. Another LionChief set with lots of play value is the number 2523110 Navy LionChief Freight Set. This set features a Navy RS3 diesel with a modern can motor, directional headlights, horn, bell, diesel background sounds, and announcements, all controlled by the LionChief remote, Bluetooth, or voice control. Also included are a flat car with submarine, a derrick car, and an illuminated bay window caboose, plus the remote power supply and an oval of Lionel Fast Track for $399.99. The Lionel 2523130 Pennsylvania Keystone set includes a classic Pennsylvania O and O steamer pulling a York card and paper boxcar, a flat car with girder bridge load, and an illuminated Pennsylvania Class N5C porthole caboose. The locomotive includes a headlight, smoke, steam chuffing sounds, plus whistle, bell, and announcements, all controlled by the LionChief remote, Bluetooth app, or voice control. Also included are the remote, power supply, and an oval of Lionel Fast Track for $399.99. Show your support for Darth Vader and the Empire, or Luke Skywalker and the Rebel Alliance with these two Star Wars licensed sets. The number 2523030 Empire set, or the number 2523040 Rebel set. Each set includes an RS3 diesel, two illuminated boxcars featuring scenes from the original trilogy highlighting their side, and a themed tank car with liquid. The diesels feature modern can motors, directional headlights, and rail sounds. The set also features the remote, power supply, and an oval of Lionel Fast Track for $499.99 each. Harry Potter fans might enjoy the number 2523140 Hogwarts Express set, featuring a 460 steam locomotive patterned after the locomotive in the films, one passenger coach, one combination baggage and passenger car, and an operating Dementors coach with sounds and Dementor silhouettes. The locomotive features a headlight, smoke, steam chuffing sounds, whistle, bell, and announcements, all controlled by the LionChief remote, Bluetooth app, or voice control. The set also includes the power supply, remote, and an oval of Lionel Fast Track for $499.99. If you're looking for a set to run around the Christmas tree or through your village display, the number 2523120 Peppermint Railroad O80 Christmas Freight Set may be on your list. The set features a festive O80 steamer with headlight, smoke, steam chuffing sounds, whistle, bell, and announcements, all controlled by the LionChief remote, Bluetooth app, or voice control. Also included are a Kringle Cookie Company reefer car with interior load, a Santa's Choice Milk Chocolate Vat car, and a matching Peppermint Railroad illuminated caboose. Also included are the power supply, remote, and an oval of Lionel Fast Track for $399.99. Lionel announced the number 262-3030 America Celebration 440 LionChief set in July 2025, and so it probably will not be in stores until early 2026. The set includes a 440 American-type steam locomotive and cars decorated to honor the semi-quincentennial of the United States in 2026. The locomotive features a headlight, smoke, steam chuffing sounds, whistle, bell, and announcements, all controlled by the LionChief remote, Bluetooth app, or voice control. The set also includes a period Hancock Fireworks boxcar, from Sea to Shining Sea tank car, and matching bobber caboose, as well as the remote power supply and an oval of Lionel Fast Track. The set has a list price of $459.99. Also announced in July is the CSX Spirit of America LionChief set, featuring a modern CSX CW44-8 diesel, a 50 States auto rack car, an Independence Refinery tank car, and a Patriot Line Paul Revere boxcar. The diesel includes an operating headlight, twin motors, diesel sounds, horn, bell, and announcements, all controlled by the LionChief remote, Bluetooth app, or voice control. Also included are the remote power supply and an oval of Lionel Fast Track. The set has a list price of $439.99. Lionel announced the number 262-3020 Lunar Limited LionChief set in October 2025, so it likely will not appear in stores until 2026. The set is patterned after the Hogwarts Express set, with a 460 steamer, a passenger coach, a haunted crescent passenger coach with spooky sounds, and a combine car decorated in a Halloween theme. Otherwise identical to the Hogwarts Express set described earlier, the set has a list price of $574.99. Lionel is also offering a number of battery-powered train sets that are compatible with O-gauge track this year. These sets all feature remote control with sounds and water vapor smoke systems for the locomotives. While Lionel marketing materials say the sets are compatible with O-gauge track, it is not clear whether that statement includes Lionel turnouts. Likewise, it appears that the couplers may not be fully compatible with traditional Lionel knuckle couplers, so mixing these items with traditional trains could be problematic. For these reasons, I am not going into more details on these battery-powered sets. And there they are, the lineup of O-gauge starter sets for 2025. Any one of these will make a great start to an O-gauge train empire or make a great addition to an existing one. And whether your trains are new or old, keep the trains running, and we'll catch you next time with more toy train tips and tricks.